My fellow travelers, today is gonna be a special one because I'll be revealing my exact portion which gives me unlimited productivity and energy throughout the day. So stay tuned for this because I'm dropping some real sauce for you. And yeah man, let's get started. So first of all guys, we need to understand what this portion does to our body. So think about this. You sleep for like 8 to 7 hours every single day, right? And when you wake up, your body is dehydrated. So to mitigate that, this portion will do wonders guys. This right here is lemon. It has vitamin C and all the antioxidants which will aid your digestive system, and it also has an alkalizing effect into your body which does wonders guys. And this right here is Himalayan pink salt. It gives a lot of electrolytes, magnesium, potassium, calcium, which is fantastic, right? This isn't just sodium guys, it has a lot of minerals. That's why I always tell my people to get Himalayan pink salt, not the regular ones. And by the way, do bear in mind that I teach this inside my personal development blueprint and I'm giving it away for free for you. I'm so excited for you man. The other day I actually went out with my boys and they were talking about their biohacking stuff and them improving their health. So I'm like, do you know about this potion? They're like, what potion? And I knew I had to tell them. So I'm like, if they found this useful, there would be a million other people who would find this useful. So that's why I'm creating this video and I hope you will utilize this to the fullest. Anyways, let's get started. So first, take water guys. Did you notice how I filled it in steel bottle, not plastic? Because plastic is a big no. It has a lot of microplastics, phthalates, chemicals, you name it. It's really bad for your testosterone, and if you want to maximize your masculinity, avoid plastic stuff. So anyways, every morning when you wake up, you would usually have a filter, right? You don't need a water bottle. Anyways, take an empty glass and fill a glass of water, and then you drink it. Fantastic man. So now your body is being revitalized by the water and it's ready to absorb absolutely anything because your body and digestive system is completely empty right now. I actually had this portion in the morning guys, but for you guys I'm gonna have it again because why not? It tastes fantastic by the way. After that, take knife, lemon, cut it into half. Well, usually in the morning I do use the whole lemon, but for this video I'll use half a lemon, but it's completely your choice guys. You can use full, half, doesn't matter, it's perfectly fine. So yeah, take the half lemon, squeeze it, perfect. So talking about lemon, it has a lot of vitamin C, antioxidants and a lot of good stuff. It has an alkalizing effect into your body, and when you consume this guys, you're setting yourself up for success right when you wake up. So isn't that incredible? After that guys, here's the Himalayan pink salt. Usually I put very little, so 2 pinches. There goes one, and then the second one. You can use half a tablespoon, that doesn't matter, but I usually like 2 pinches of salt. So after that, here's my water. Refill it. Let me keep it down. Then here you go man. A simple portion but does wonders to your body. Try it out and your day will be fruitful man. You'll have unlimited energy. The electrolytes will help you full day. Cheers man. Fantastic stuff. I hope this video really helps, and let me know if you want more videos like this because I have a lot of data sets for you guys and I teach all of this inside my personal development blueprint. So if you are interested in that, make sure you check it out. The link will be in the description, and I'll also leave a link which is a 7-day blueprint which will completely transform your life. That's completely for free guys. You can check it out, and yeah, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, I'll be waiting for you on top of the mountain, and make sure you utilize this potion to the fullest. Peace.